Frugal living hacks to save money. In today's world, living has become extremely difficult for a common person who meets both ends just by earning monthly, and that earning is not sufficient for the present prices of accommodations. Only a businessman or highly official designated person can live comfortably. The price hikes have made it difficult to even fulfill fundamental necessities. And more importantly, inflation is neither a state problem nor a regional one. Instead, it has become a global enigma. But we are here with some hacks and tips to bring some possible easiness to your lives. With these hacks, you can save money, or more precisely, you can live frugally. You can really adopt these hacks and tips if you want to get early retirement as well. The cat is out of the bag. You exactly can make metamorphic money habits that will make you able to save money with thrifty living strategies, maybe even get rich. Not sure where to start? You are at the right place. Now, without wasting, let's get into the video. What is frugal living? First, you really need to understand what frugal living exactly is. Frugal living has nothing to do with being cheap. Instead, frugal living is all about being sharp-witted and devoting your time, money, and attempts productively so that you can intensify your resources while still having fun and enjoying life. The term frugal is often mixed with cheap or also with minimalism. But these three terms are different from each other in reality. Of course, there is a pinch of overlapping among these terms, but the central ideology behind them is totally different, and they are totally different lifestyles. So if the term frugal gets defined properly, it would be like this: a way of living exercised with being prudent and economical in one's conduct of material resources, chiefly money. Now, what does being cheap mean? A man who prefers to be called miserable and stingy, rather than spending money, is a cheapskate. And minimalism is a process in which a person eliminates non-essential things from their lives to adjust to more important things. Now, as all the three things are defined, you can easily tell that there is a sharp difference between them. You must be curious about a question now: is frugal living worth it? If you want to save money, enhance your financial independence, and you want to be happier, then yes, frugal living is really worth it. You would be motivated to hear that a frugal way of life not only assists you to achieve your financial goals swiftly, but often will make you witness a greater life satisfaction experience. Living frugally might sometimes be difficult, especially when you suddenly make a plan to live frugally after years of being non-serious with your finances and half-heartedly spending money. It will be hard initially, but once you get into it, you will feel like it was necessary. Just because you didn't grow up frugally doesn't mean you can't get into a frugal lifestyle, however. Living frugally can even make you rich. Yes. If you go and ask self-made rich, you'll get to know that they are also frugal, and they live below their means. And this is how almost half of the world is running. If your goal is not to be rich and only to save money, then you must change your spending and saving habits. If you are living on a single income, you can save up to 30% of your total income. And yes, this is true. The world is filled with such people. Hacks to get started. Here are some of the best frugal living hacks that genuinely help people to get out of poor times and poverty, especially during COVID-19. Now we want you to live more frugally. 1. Don't pay for free resources. This is the most important. You just need to be active in this. The world is filled with free resources, but there are things you can easily find in the trash boxes. Yes, exactly. Or just get familiar with your trash pickup schedule. People continuously keep changing their basic necessities. Once you catch up with the trash pickup schedule, you will get to know how treasury things people throw away. You can find basic things there, as you can even find the best furniture, bicycle, TV, or even a refrigerator for you. Amazing. 2. Negotiation. You should not always pay full price for a thing. Try to adopt negotiating skills. Consider shopping from thrift stores, where you can buy your favorite thing at a discounted rate. Everything is almost negotiable. As the shopkeeper sells an item double its real price more often, you must ask for negotiation for almost everything, or the thing that is not fulfilling your budget. At least, you can get a 5% discount. 3. Know about your things. There is no need to call a mechanic to fix your car or refrigerator, or there is no need to call an electrician to just fix your switchboards. This costs so much extra, and you get out of your budget fast. Try to know the basics about every working machine in your house, like your car, TV, refrigerator, heater, air conditioner, just everything. You should know how to fix your car engine, or you should know how to fix the tap of your sink. This will save you so much money. You should be your own mechanic, your own electrician, and even your own plumber. Yes, this is how it will work out. 4. Plan ahead. Another beneficial frugal living hack is to think long-term. Whenever you think to make a purchase or change your budget, keep in mind how it will also influence your financial goals. You can think of your money as time and happiness. There are a lot of tactics and strategies through which you can control your spending by replanning your thoughts. 5. Track your income and spending. If you had a chance to write down all of your monthly bills and expenses on paper, could you do that? Most people could not even remember their bills, and they even have no idea what they spent on the last day. This is the truth. If you also find yourself like this, you should start tracking your spending for 30 days, one whole month, so that you can get an idea of where your money is going. 6. Sell unnecessary stuff. A satisfactory cleaning session can not only make your home a contented place, but also a lavish one. There is no rocket science in it to tell you that if you have less stuff, it will take less time to tidy up your house, and this can provide you more time in doing stuff that you are interested in. Once you clean your house and find out some unnecessary things, you can sell them and earn money. 7. Eat at home. If you want a healthier and wealthier life, then you must stop spending on restaurants. Try to learn how to cook and make food for yourself. Even if you are an expert in cooking, you can earn from your skill. Just by swapping how you consider and spend your money, you will find more money than you ever had before. With this, we would like to end this video, with the hope that you liked and enjoyed it. If you like our content, make sure that you like our video, and do share your views and opinions with us in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel to receive regular videos from us, and don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.